Customers using Nuxeo or any other enterprise content management software would like to define their data types, their document types, their metadata fields on their own. It has now become really easy to do so directly in the WebUI, directly by the business users. Just have a look. Let us now create a form from scratch. When I'm logged in as a user who is able to manage the form templates, I will be able to display my existing form templates or create a new one, like, for example, a new hardware template. Once a blank template is created, it's not very fascinating because it's not configured yet, but the magic starts when we start editing it, because we will be given a graphical designer which lets me simply configure my document types, my question types, my forms, everything that I'm going to need to handle new hardware forms. Let us now add a field which is going to be called required immediately, and it is going to be of type boolean, a yes/no flag. Let's now just call it respectively, and this is going to be a required field. The next one is going to be justification. Now, please bear in mind that we also have lookups, which lets you, for example, find Nuxeo users, Nuxeo documents, Nuxeo whatever that you would like to use, or external lookups. So if you have some external data source, like a REST service, a SharePoint, whatever, you will be able to have your data over there. Justification. Let us now add some logic. I would like this justification field to be required when this flag is set to true. So I will just create a new business rule which tells if that flag is set to true, then this question, justification, is required. That's it. I can now go ahead and test it. Yes, no, and it's drop done. We can now save the template, the form template, and we would see the preview of what the user is going to interact with. We'll also add a PDF template. A PDF template, in this case, is a Word document with the respective placeholders, which will be automatically filled in by the system when you create an instance of the specific form. We also have a workflow tab, which specifies what kind of workflow is going to be executed when we create an instance of this form. Filling in the form is as easy as it could possibly get. A user who has been granted access to the respective form template can just select it on the respective creation screen. We are going to request a new keyboard, and we need it just now. As you can see, the field has become required. Mine got broken. Right, the form has been created. We have some basic metadata. The document has been created for us, and the system would suggest what we can do with the form. So we could just send it to the important manager, who's going to be able to approve or reject the form. That's it. We have just configured a form by a business admin. We have filled in the form by a business user. All that without writing a single line of code. Everything within the WebUI.